which we have found in correlation, we will give rank to correlation. That's it. That meaning if you have 35 marks, highest marks in your subject, this will be the first rank. If you are giving ranks to the data, that meaning rank correlation of this is one type of finding correlation. So for this we have the formulas. When ranks are given, use this formula. So when ranks are not given, this will be not in your subject, but this you have. This is when you have ranks repeated. First of all, if you know this, you can solve this. Remember this formula. Okay, how you will go for rank? So follow the rank obtained by 10 students in 2 subjects, statistics and mathematics. To what extent the knowledge of the students in 2 subjects is related. So first of all, you have to write the ranks in statistics and the mathematics in statistics, maths. So ranks in statistics, these are the ranks, okay. So the given ranks, not any values, the given ranks in statistics x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the ranks in mathematics capital Y. So the formula is rank of S, or we denote it as rho equals to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n into n square minus 1. This d is nothing but the deviation, capital X minus capital Y. So if we have take the subtraction of this, you will get d. And what is n number of observations? We have 10 already. They given 1 to 10, so n equals to 10. So take the x minus y here, x minus y, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4, 3 minus 1, 2. So like this you have to take. Now here we have d square summation. That's why I am taking the minus 1 whole square, minus 2 whole square, 2 square. So the d square value 40, 6 into 40 by number of observation 10 and 10 square minus 1. If you solve this, you will get the exact 0.76. So this is the ranks. But when you have the terms 85, 60, 73, 40, 90, 93, 75, like this, if you have marks, they given here ranks, but here they given marks 85, 60, you have to take the here rank, okay. What is the highest rank? For 90 is the first one, so I am taking the rank for 91. Next 85, this is second, and here who got 90 was the first rank, and who got 85 is the second rank, and 73 third rank, and 60 fourth rank, 40 fifth rank. So write the ranks, because capital X is nothing but ranks. In the previous one they given ranks, but here they given marks. So you have to consider the ranks. How will you give the ranks? For highest marks you will give 1. After highest marks you will give second one, third, fourth. This is ranks in capital X. I am denoting this capital X. Capital Y. So now give the ranks in this one. So first one is 93 marks, second 80 marks, third 75, fourth this one, fifth this one. So I am giving ranks for this X and Y. Now D is nothing but X minus Y. Okay, so now you have to find D. x minus y, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 5, 1 minus 2. And now another column d square, because in the formula we have summation d square. So 1 square 1, 1 square you have to get and add all these 10. 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. And the formula rank correlation will be 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So capital N equals to 5. Okay. So 1 minus 6 into 4, 5 into 5 square minus 1. If you use your calci, you will get 0.8. Here you want to remember, if they give marks, you have to give them rank. If they give rank, you have to find directly d equals to x minus y d square. But here they didn't give ranks. That's why I'm giving ranks for that marks, for that in maths and for that in stats. Did you understand this? Rank correlation. This is the formula. 1 minus 6 summation d square by n into n square minus 1. So d is nothing but the difference of ranks. N is nothing but number of observations. Is it clear? There is no much explanation about this. You have to consider like this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are all about ranks. These are all about if you the given marks. Suppose if you have 10 competitions in a mutual test were ranked by the 3 judges. Here ranks in 3 parameters we have. Ranks by A, ranks by B, ranks by C. Using rank correlation method, discuss which pair of judge has the nearest approach to common linking in music. You have to find rank correlation. But here we have 3 variables. Here we done with 2 and here also we done with 2, right? So now how I am going to take this means rank by A, right? What are the ranks given in here? And rank B and rank C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So capital N equals to 10. Now we get only one difference, x minus y. If you have x, y terms. But whenever here we have x, y, z. You have to go x minus y and y minus z, z minus x. X minus y minus z, z minus x. So I am taking x minus y minus z, z minus x. I am denoting this as d1, d2, d3. And the formula is d1 square, d2 square, d3 square. You have to find the different RS for A, rank correlation for A, rank correlation for B, rank correlation for C. So rank correlation RS equals to 1 minus 6 summation d1 square by n into n square minus 1. Here you have to find for A, d1 you have to consider. For B, d2. For C, you have to consider d3. d3 is nothing but z minus x. So 1 minus 6 into summation d1 square is the value of this one. So summation d1 square is 200 and n into n square minus 1. 10 into 100 minus 1. Sorry, this is the d1 square. So the summation d1 square is 200. And the rank correlation of A we found minus 0.21. Now rank correlation of B is same formula, but in the place of D we have consider here d2. So what is the d2 square? This is the one. So what is the sum? 214. Same 10. 10 square minus 1, 100 minus 1. You will got here rank of correlation. Next, rank of correlation of C. For C, you have to consider D3, Z minus X, that is D3 square. What is the sum? 60. So 1 minus 6 into 60 by 10 into 10 square minus 1, that is 100 minus 1, you will get. Okay, here they mention judges has the nearest approach. Who two judges give the two nearest approaches? Here we got minus 0.21. Here we got minus 0. These are maybe some nearest approach. This is positive. We don't consider this one. So here minus 2.1 very close to 2.9, right? So rank A and B pair of judges has the nearest two approaches. Here A and B. Is it clear? First of all, for these types of problems, you have to practice. That's it. For this, there is no explanation of teacher. You have to write all the things and you have to use calci and substitute the formulas. If these types of questions are there, what is the nearest approach you have to take? That's it. I think all of you understand this. I will send notes after this. After sending notes, you have to practice and you have to look at once. Okay? For that only you will understand these problems. So for the previous problems, you have to understand nothing but you have to by heart the formulas. That's it. What is the coefficient of correlation? What is the coefficient of R is equal to, you have to by heart this summation y by under root summation x square summation y square. When we will use this formula? When we consider x bar as same integer value. Suppose if you got 68 and y bar equals to 68, we will go for this coefficient of correlation. Suppose if you got 68.5, y bar equals to 68.9, you have to go for the formula like this. You have to by heart these formulas. Summation x square minus summation x whole square by n. And same part, in the place of x we have y square minus summation y whole square by n. This is for assumed mean. If you consider assumed mean in the place of x bar, if you consider x bar as 68, use this formula. Okay? Suppose the frequency is given. Frequency. You have to multiply f with these things. That's it. F minus summation fx, summation fy by n under root. In the place of x, we will get fx whole square. Fx whole square like this. Okay? You have to by heart these three formulas and what is rank correlation formula. For non-repeating ranks, if they given ranks, you have to consider that only capital X, that only capital Y. If they will give marks, you have to give ranks according to the marks. For highest marks, you have to give 1. After highest marks, you have to give 2. Like that. After taking the ranks, you have to find D. D is nothing but X minus Y. And the formula you have to remember this. 1 minus 6 summation D square by n into n square minus 1. Today you have 4 formulas. So by heart the 4 formulas, okay? And if you have 3 variables, find this type. D1, D2, D3, because we have 3 variables x, y, z. First of all, go through this and next to yz, from z to x. xy, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So first, for finding A, you have to find rank correlation. For B also you have to find rank correlation. And for C also you have to find correlation. 1 minus, I'm having so many D's, that's why I'm taking 1, 2, 3. So capital N is nothing but N number of observation. Substitute the values and you will get this. And they are asking what is the nearest approach means. This is the nearest approach. Okay? I will send the notes in our group, P&S group. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So it's 12:31. I'm closing the class. Bye all.